everyone, now let us start jumping front kick, level 1, level 2 and level 3 training. Just a friendly reminder regarding to the following training. Please just do the level that you feel comfortable with. Do not push yourself too much to get injured. Great, let us start. First, let me go through with the levels. So level 1 is, I'm going to kick with my right leg, land on my left leg. So this is level 1 because you land on your left leg first. So level 2 is two legs land. Land on your 2 feet together. So this is level 2. And level 3 is which leg you're going to kick, which leg you're going to land. Level 3. Okay, so now let us practice with level 1 first. We do slowly. 1, 2, 3. Jump with your right leg. Jump with your right leg. Kick with your right leg. And land on your left leg. See, this is level 1. After, open your wings. So I face to this way so you can see clearly. Slowly. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Open your wings. Okay, so now let us do a bit faster. Combine with the steps. 1, 2. One, two. Okay, let's move on to the level 2. So level 2, you have to try to jump higher and kick faster and land with your 2 legs together. So face to this way first. 1, 2, 3. See, 2 legs land together. Okay. So this is level 2. So let's move on to the level 3. So level 3, we are going to lock our left leg here, kick with our right leg, and land on our right leg. Okay, so one, 2, 3. See? Let's do a bit faster. That's level 3. It doesn't matter which level you are, keep on practicing the height and lightness training. Flow will come spontaneously. Practice makes better and perfect. Happy training, happy life. We'll see you in the next video.